With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, find the sum of the n terms of the series whose nth term are given below. So the first part is, the nth term is given as 3n square plus 2n. So its sum will be, Sn will be summation of 3n square plus 2n, or this will be 3 into summation of n square plus 2 into summation of n. Now 3 into summation of n square is given by n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6, plus 2 into summation n is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. Now this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. This will be cancelled 2 times. So from this, now taking common n into n plus 1, we get n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 2 plus 1. On solving this, we get n into n plus 1 2n plus 3 upon 2. So the sum of this series is n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 3 upon 2. Now the second part says the nth term is 2n cube plus 4n plus 1. Now to find its sum, it will be Sn equals to summation of 2n cube plus 4n plus 1, or this can be written as 2 into summation of n cube plus 4 into summation of n plus summation of 1. Now this will be 2 into summation of n cube is given by n into n plus 1 by 2 to the whole square, plus 4 into summation n is given by n into n plus 1 by 2, plus summation of 1, that is 1 is added n times, so it will be n here. Now on solving this, we get this will be cancelled 2 times, so we get 2 into n square into n plus 1 to the whole square upon 4 plus 2n n plus 1 plus n, or this will be, now taking n common from this, we get n into, this will be cancelled to 2 times, so we get, taking n common, we get n into n plus 1 square by 2 plus 2 into n plus 1 plus 1, or this will be now n by 2 into, taking LCM in here, we get n into n plus 1 to the square plus 4 into n plus 1 plus 2. But this will be now n by 2 into n plus 1 to the whole square will be n square plus 1 plus 2n plus 4n plus 4 plus 2, or this will be n by 2 into n cube plus n plus 2n square plus 4n plus 6, or on simplifying this, we get n by 2 into n cube plus 2n square plus 5n plus 6. So this is the sum of the second series. Now the third is, the nth term is given as 2 to the power n plus 3 to the power n, so it will be here 2 to the power n plus 3 to the power n. Now its sum will be Sn is equals to summation of 2 to the power n plus 3 to the power n, or this can be written as summation of 2 to the power n plus summation of 3 to the power n. Now this summation of 2 to the power n will be 2 plus 2 square plus 2 cube and so on till 2 to the power n, plus this summation 3n will be 3 plus 3 square and so on till 3 to the power n. Now these terms and these terms, both of these terms forms an arithmetic progression. This forms an arithmetic progression with first term 2 and the common ratio is also 2, and this forms a geometric progression with first term 2 and common ratio is also equals to 2. And we know the formula of summation of GP, that is Sn is equals to A into R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. So on applying this formula here, we get Sn is equals to, for this, A is 2, so 2 into 2 to the power n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, plus sum of these terms will be 3 into 3 to the power n minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. On solving this, we get Sn is equals to 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power n minus 1. This 2 minus 1 will be 1, plus 3 into 3 to the power n minus 1 upon 3 minus 1, that is 2, so it will be 2. So this is the sum of 2 to the power n plus 3 to the power n. Now, the fourth part is, we have to find the sum whose nth term is 3 to the power n plus n cube. So now this will be, the fourth part is, the general term is 3 to the power n plus n cube, or the sum of this will be summation of 3 to the power n plus n cube. This can be written as summation of 3 to the power n plus summation of n cube. Now, similarly, as we have seen above, this summation of 3 to the power n will be this, and this is equals to this part. So we can write it here as 3 into 3 to the power n minus 1 upon 3 minus 1, plus summation of n cube will be n into n plus 1 by 2 to the whole square. On simplifying this, we get 3 into 3 to the power n minus 1 upon 3 minus 1, that is 2, plus this will be 1 by 4 into n square into n plus 1 to the whole square. So this is the sum of, with general term, 3 to the power n plus n cube. So this is the answers of this question. Thanks for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.